artichoke chip.
Artichoke cake.
Artichoke cake. Dip.
That was favorite.
And then we got mozzarella sticks.
Watch her go to town on that stuff.
And then we got chicken, some tacos, and then barbecue chips. I mean, not the barbecue chips, barbecue chicken. Got Dada, what's your food? What did you get, Dad?
Salad.
Oh. Kyla got cheeseburger and french fries. I got the shrimp and parmesan sirloin. And Mommy Shan got
Tex-Mex, shrimps,
an avocado.
yeah. Happy birthday to
Oh, thanks.
you.
More like spending birthday.
Yeah,
You want this?
I want that.
I had to get a little bit. You're done?
So panak nga rin kay baka so panak rin
I like to share them.
so panak tani na sweet na.
What's the food? More chocolate.
Napudot yung nalamis. That's perfect. Yummy.
Look. Chocolate's pouring.
My mouth is infested with chocolate.
Yeah.
Guys, look. Okay, so you have to first scoop out the ice cream. First crack, and then
Oh, one, can, one. Kyla, where are you?